Today I have some Quntis, and I've also got a cat. I've got some Quntis Solar Deck Lights that I'm going to unbox and set up with the help of my handy cat. Let's open it and see what's inside. Okay, each set comes with 4 lights and then the hardware to connect it to your deck. What does it look like? It feels like a metal casing. The back is plastic, the top is plastic, and it has the solar panel on top. It's covered with a piece of protective plastic. I think I can pull that off because there's some bubbles underneath it. And there are 2 screw holes, and some screws are included so you can attach it to your deck. If you don't want to screw them into your deck, they come with these 2-sided tapes, which is what I'm actually going to use to attach them. And then you have this button on the bottom that it has off 1, 2, 3. So I'll have to read the instructions, but it looks like you just press it and that'll probably turn them on. And then during the day, oh, actually it's a sliding switch. I can feel it underneath. It's got several settings, but I can set it, and then during the day it's going to, of course, store the sun to charge up the batteries inside, and then at night they will glow. And I plan to put them on my steps right here so I can see how to get off the steps when it's dark at night. So I'm going to install them and then I'll be right back. And here they are attached to my deck, and now I just have to wait for night to see what they look like when they're glowing. Uh-oh, it's the crazy cat. This is Ozzy. If you want to see him in action trying to attack, and I say that in jest, if you want to see him try to attack a FedEx guy, I will leave a link to that video in the description below because it's hilarious. And here they are lit up. I've got them set to the different settings. There's 3 different settings. So this is number 1. You can see what that looks like. This is number 2. It's got blue. And this is number 3. It looks like a warmer version of number 1. Kind of more yellow. And this is also number 3. So again, that's what they look like.